Davis, author of the Pineapple RX and founder of the Ultimate Pineapple Cleanse. Would you like to lose weight, supercharge your energy, and have amazing mental clarity? In fact, what if I said you could remove years of toxins in a matter of days? Sound too good to be true? Well, in fact, it's not. See, pineapple is the only known fruit in the entire world that contains a powerful digestive enzyme called bromelain. It may be responsible for boosting your health in many ways, especially when it comes to your weight. Over time, our bodies become so clogged up with undigested food and toxins caused by the standard American diet. Some of the reason we have trouble losing weight isn't because we have fat. It's because our colon is all clogged up, slowing down our metabolism and creating a hazardous breeding ground for bugs and parasites. You can lose up to 9 pounds in 3 days. I have helped countless people shed inches off their weight and pounds off the scale just by following this simple system. Enter your email today. You'll discover how pineapple can make a significant difference in your health too. I'll see you on the other side.
What's up, guys? This is Winston from findyourflow.com. So I just want to share with you my experience. I did the 3-day pineapple cleanse. I had never done any other kind of pineapple cleanse before. At the time, I was a little more overweight. I was kind of chunky, and I packed on some pounds, and I wanted to get rid of them, and I just felt like maybe this would help. Anyway, I would say if you're thinking about it, definitely do it. It's awesome, and you will definitely experience results, and they will probably be pretty fantastic results. You'll be pretty happy. You can thank me later. All right, take care.
Hi, my name is Tula, and I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I just want to thank Lisa for creating this amazing pineapple cleanse. Being very skeptical of so many cleanses out there and trying a few on my own, my results were inches off the body, huge energy, no more crazy cravings, and just a lot of glowing skin and happiness all the way around. So I thank you, Lisa, and I can't wait to do this again.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jay Anderson. I'm happy to say that the Ultimate Pineapple Cleanse can be very effective in removing years of built-up waste and toxins in the colon. Consuming raw pineapples for 3 days is generally safe for anyone in good health, so I would strongly recommend it to anyone trying to lose weight, detox their body, improve their energy, and feel better overall.